Sound check. Oh, listen to that. Oh yeah, no rev limiters here. That's sweet, that is. I think she said, parking mode out. Let's have a listen to that Chevy. It's nice, that is. That Chevy sounds quicker than this car. Don't know whether it will be in reality, but the noise alone, I think it's winning. Let's have a listen to the Dodge. It sounds the same as the Chevy. Doesn't seem to sound any different. Anyway, nice. Let's rev them all together in one big symphony of American muscle car V8-ness. Go on, rev, guys. Oh, this is my kind of orchestra. I don't know what I'm doing. This is my